Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about Focal AI, and this is the best AI powered research platform. Now if you are looking for something to summarize you different type of text and text bodies, this is the platform for you. But before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get exclusive free rewards and benefits, and as well extended free trails. So make sure to check that out and don't miss out on that one. Jumping onto the platform, here you can see we have different options. It is quite simple interface and user friendly. You can simply add your paragraph that you want to summarize using this add option. You can also add your URL or a PDF file that you can upload. Once it is here, you can see I have already uploaded an information in here, a set of text. It is basically a URL link that you can put on, and then it will be giving you the summary. Also, you can see the Copilot option. This is basically AI powered Copilot assistant that is going to be answering you different questions that you want or need. In the right, you can see anything that you want to ask for or write, and in comments you can leave your comments for better understanding of what you are basically doing, or you can also get comments from your friends. So on the left side of your screen you can see the highlights, the recent, tagged, and you can tag the text, so it will be much easier to navigate and understand. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. This is a really nice and user-friendly site, so make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and rewards. And yeah, also you can get extended free trails. That is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you liked, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.